Hi everyone, so today is a blue smoky eye tutorial. So I'm just going to start off with my transparent pear soap bar and just combing that through my brows with a Morphe spoolie brush. So then I'm just going to take the Revolution brow pomade in dark brown with a Morphe angled brush and just create a line underneath my brow and then make it fluffy using hair-like stroke motions. And then I'm just going to take P. Louise and Moo Mitchell blank canvas base with an R&M concealer brush and just carve out underneath my brows and then pat along the lid. And then just taking a Real Techniques fluffing brush, I'm just going to buff the edges out to make it seamless. So then I'm just going to go in with the Me, Myself and Moo Mitchell palette. I'm going to take the shade Moody Mitch with a fluffy brush and just pat this shade on just slightly above my crease and out towards the end of my brow. So then going in with the colour Miracle and a small flat fluffy brush by Morphe, I'm just going to pack this colour on just slightly above the other colour and blending them two together. So then going in with the Q-tip into my micellar water, I'm just going to create the desired shape that I want for my cut crease. So going back in with the P. Louise and Moo Mitchell blank canvas base, I'm just going to create this cut crease following out towards that line and then just packing it in onto the rest of my lid. Taking some eye tape, I'm just going to put this on the outer corner of my eye towards the end of that blue shade and then packing the colour Master over that crease and then just going in with the Peaches and Cream pigment, which is the shade Most Wanted. I'm just going to pack this over that colour Master. So then I'm just going to go back in with the blank canvas base and an angled brush. I'm just going to create a line slightly above the gold following the shape by pressing this base on. So going back into the palette, I'm just going to take the colour Main with an angled brush and stamp this along the line that we just made. So just taking this Morphe black felt tip liner, I'm just going to create a small line just above the lash band. So the lashes I'm using today are by Beauty 1999 in the style Princess, and I'm just taking my Duo Glue and placing that along the lash band of these eyelashes. So after this, I've just gone in and finished my base, but then I'm going to take the shade Moody Mitch and place this underneath my lash line with a small fluffy brush. So to blend that shade out, I'm just going to go back in with the shade Miracle and a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this shade out. So going back in with the blank canvas base, I'm just going to press this into my waterline, and then taking the colour Main, I'm just going to stamp this over that base. So to finish this look off, I'm just going to take the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and just apply a thin layer onto the bottom lashes. So this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys!